Taking out a car loan for the first time can be exciting, but also kind of scary. So I'm here to help shed some light on the entire process. As a rule, you shouldn't spend more than 10 to 15% of your net monthly income on a car payment and no more than 20% on all vehicle-related expenses each month, including loan payment, fuel, insurance, and maintenance costs. That means if you take home $2,000 per month, you shouldn't spend more than $200 to $300 per month on the car payment and no more than $100 to $200 on all the additional expenses, for a total of no more than $400 per calendar month. That monthly payment will likely determine what kind of vehicle you can afford based on the total number of monthly payments. However, there are factors that will affect that number, such as a down payment, your credit score, and the interest rate on that loan. Newer cars typically qualify for longer loan terms and lower interest rates, while the opposite is generally true on older vehicles. Pre-approval is a conditional approval given to you by a lender to finance the purchase of a car. Getting pre-approved when shopping for a vehicle can be a valuable tool because it can help you determine what you're able to spend and what vehicles you should be looking at. Any additional questions you might have about the process can be answered via a quick internet search. But don't forget to ask your salesperson when you come in to buy your next vehicle, because they're not only there to sell you the vehicle, they're also there to help.